CBSE Biology Class 10 Chapter 7 Control and Coordination Part 1. Let us learn the biology chapters through questions and answers, which most of the students prefer. Note that PG is for page, PR for paragraph, and questions are in yellow color while answers in white color. Which movements in living organisms are not connected with growth? A cat running, children playing on swings, buffaloes chewing cud, these are not movements connected with growth. Why do we associate visible movements with life? A possible answer is that we think of movement as a response to a change in the environment of an organism. For example, a cat may be running because it has seen a mouse. Not only that, we also think of movement as an attempt by living organisms to use changes in their environment to their advantage. For example, migratory birds move in cold winter to the warmer places. Why do cows and buffaloes chew cud? Buffaloes chew cud to help break up tough food so as to be able to digest it better. The tough material in their food is the cellulose. Which life process carries out the correct movement in response? All the movement in response to the environment is carefully controlled. Each kind of change in the environment evokes an appropriate movement in response. Living organisms use the systems or the life process called the control and coordination. Which tissues provide control and coordination in animals? In keeping with the general principles of body organization in multicellular organisms, the specialized tissues such as muscles and nerves are used to provide these control and coordination activities. Which receptors are there for taste and smell? The gustatory receptors detect taste, while olfactory receptors detect smell. Which cells of our body carry information and how? The nerve cells or neurons carry the information. It acquired at the end of the dendritic tip sets off a chemical reaction that creates an electrical impulse. This impulse travels from the dendrite to the cell body and then along the axon to its end. At the end of the axon, the electrical impulse sets off the release of some chemicals. What is the role of synapse? State 2 points. The released chemicals from neurons cross the gap or the synapse and start a similar electrical impulse in a dendrite of the next neuron. This is a general scheme of how nervous impulses travel in the body. A similar synapse finally allows delivery of such impulses from neurons to other cells such as muscle cells or gland. Look at the figure and identify the parts of a neuron where information is acquired, number 1. Number 2, through which information travels as an electrical impulse, and number 3, where this impulse must be converted into a chemical signal for onward transmission. The answers are number 1 in dendrite, number 2 in axon, number 3 in synapse. Why don't you get proper test if you have a bad cold infection? We don't get proper test if we have a bad cold infection because in cold infection the nose is blocked. We get proper test when both gustatory receptors and olfactory receptors function well.